Hello, everyone. My name is George Hu, founder of Dunback Meadow. Dunback Meadow is a decentralized marketplace for AI agents. Today, I'm going to show you how to upload your AI agent to Dunback Meadow marketplace so that other people can license from you, and also other people's agents could call your agents, and you can charge them on per call basis. So the easiest way to upload your agent to the marketplace is to create your agent right in the on this platform by here create an agent here. All right. So 3 levels here. As a beginner, you only need to give your agent a name, agent Alice. And you choose a image for avatar of the agent. Okay. And then just click create agent. Wait for a few seconds. Okay, so agent is created. And now if you browse it and refresh the screen, so your agent is on the platform. Okay. Now so that's the beginner level. And now intermediate level, you give it a name, right? And then you select the large language model, and you input your API key here. Well, it could be XAI, OpenAI, okay? You put the API key here. And then you add some optional tools, like location-based tools, use your user's location to ship some functions, and other third-party tools. You can add them one by one, as many as you like, okay? Once you add the tools, you generate the agent. And I'm not going to go through all this today. And the advanced level, you go through the same process, right? Give it a name, pick the LLM, and you add your third-party tools. And then the difference is here, you get to edit the backend code directly. And once you put all the inputs in here, you're going to see the code here, but I didn't do that, so you don't see the code here. But you can edit the code directly, right? And then you create the agent, all right? So once the agent is created, it's launched right away, and it's running on the Dunback Meadow server. And you can see this is a newly created the agent at the beginner level. You can go here. You can give it a name you prefer, change the voice to male voice, right? Female voice. And here, because the agent runs on the Dunback Meadow server, you can manage it. Right now it's running, and you can shut it down, right? And you can restart it, or you can even delete it, okay? Because it's on Dunback Meadow server. Okay, but I want to focus on your agent. If your agent is hosted in your own server, how do you upload it to Dunback Meadow marketplace? Well, you need to do some customization to your backend code. But first of all, you need to get the API key and agent ID from Dunback Meadow. So to do that, you upload the front end of your agent. You click upload here, right? And again, you give it a name. Let's say agent Bob. Category is AI agent. And now here, no source code. You want the agent to handle emails, handle financial information, and avatar is the image. Now here, the webhook for your users to chat to your agent, and this is important. Okay, so you need to remember this webhook. You need to keep this consistent because this is going to show up in your backend code, all right? So for now, we're going to call this webhook demo agent, all right? And here, keywords. You want to give some keywords so that people come to the marketplace, they search for your agent, they can find it. Let's say if you coded a travel planner agent, you check travel here, and you can even add your own keywords. Let's say AI agents, okay? You add these keywords, you check it, So when people search, they can find you. Okay. Description here, you describe what your agent can do. Okay. I'm just say I'm a AI agent. Okay, all the specifications, whatever disclaimers you want to make, you put it here, description. So yeah, you want your agent to be in public view, people can see it. Here, the avatar, you want to pick a image file again. Let's say Bob. Post an image for your NFT, and the NFT is going to be the representing your ownership of the agent and also all those IP rights. Okay, it's on the blockchain. Now everything is there. Now you click upload. Give it a few seconds. Okay, so it's uploaded. Now you see the agent ID. You need to copy this and put it somewhere because you need to put this in your backend code. So let's just say put it here for now, and then the API key. You copy and save it here. Okay, you need it later. So now, list your content in the marketplace now. Well, you haven't set up in your backend yet, but let's just list it now anyways. So click this button. See here, list it for fixed price sale, auction. Most likely you're going to list it for licensing. Other people to license from you, right? So licensing. Here you pick a license type. Here there's all those templates. You pick AI agent non-exclusive license. Okay, so that many people can buy it. Specify term, let's say 1 year, 12 months. A price, let's say, arbitrary number here, $299 a year. And here is the agreement terms between you and the potential buyers, okay? And you can edit this to meet your own needs. And you can preview it here. And let's say you're happy with whatever is there already. It's drafted by a lawyer. Okay, and then you list. Yes, you list it, right? Okay. Okay, so now it's listed. It's on the blockchain, right? So now you click trade and you refresh. I think this is already refreshed, but yeah, it's there. Now it's in the marketplace. You can see the price. You click in, right? And you view the image. And it's here. You check. You see the license terms here. See, these are the license terms. Whoever buy a license from you, and this is what you agree to. Okay. And okay, let's how do I close this? Yeah. Okay, now the back end code, this is just a front end, right? So we have the code templates here in the documents section. Upload AI agent. You scroll down, you see this is a version 1, the agent code template. Now the second version here is MCP compatible, right? So we're going to use this one. So if I open my VS Code right there, so that's the code template, okay? Now you see here the Dunback Meadow agent ID and the API key, right? So we just copied it. So we want to put it in the .in file so that you can read from. Okay, so let's see, right there. Okay, so put in the agent ID right there. Already. Trying to share your whole screen. Okay, yeah. Let me just put in this first. The API key. Okay, now you save it. Now you need to need to restart the agent. Okay, so it's already running agent demo. Now we just need to restart it because we changed the .in file. To restart 15. Okay, now it restarted. Okay, so the agent is running. Okay, so the agent is running in the backend, and let's see why it doesn't respond to me anymore. Oh, here, right. Here, this is the second one. This is Bobby, right? Okay, let's just set it up here, customize it. Bob is a male, so you want a male voice here. Now here, you let it handle your email, so you can give it the authorization here. Let's say you use a Gmail, right? You authorize it. You go through the process. See. Okay, send the code. Continue. Okay, so now you can. Hey Bob, wait. Hey Bob, what's my new emails? It's not speaking. I don't know, but issue. Okay, right.
Subject security.
Right.
Preview. You will have Dunback Meadow access to some of your Google.
Right. That's the. Okay, let's mute it. Okay, so now you can handle emails for you, and then right here. Now let's say you wanted to read your bank account information so that you can summarize your expenses here. So you authorize it here. Okay, continue with Plaid, Bank of America. Continue logging. Okay. Send the code. Wait. Share my data. Okay, Bank of America force you to select all the accounts. So, okay. Okay, now, so, okay, now let's go back to your agent here. Wait, Bob, that's your agent. Okay, ask him to summarize the expenses.
Expenses. Total expense $1,523.45. Breakdown. October 24th.
Yeah, so let's mute it. So now it can handle the summarized expenses for you. Let's see what else. Oh, and then you want to list this in the marketplace. Let's see. Yeah, it's already listed. We did it in the front end. Let's see what else. Oh, I forgot to mention that to set up the agent ID and the API key from Dunback Meadow, right? So you also actually need to, I use Nginx for the web server. You need to update your config file in the Nginx config file, right? You add this location block for your webhook endpoint, right? So that can reverse proxy to your endpoint here. I forgot to mention that. So people, when they want to license from you, they go to the marketplace. They read the terms, and if they are happy with the terms and with the price, and then license, then click here, and then confirm buy. I don't have money in the wallet, so I cannot buy it here. Yeah, so this is all on the blockchain. So you sell for USDC, the stablecoin, and people pay with USDC as well. So that's my demo. Thanks.